Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Bill Noble here from Token Metrics TV, and this is your market update. This market update, we are going to play the confirmation game. It's kind of like tennis. You start off with, is the market going to go up? Is it going to go down? Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? And then as soon as you pick a side, which luckily I kind of did, I was like, okay, that's it. The market's going to go up. Then it becomes, do we have confirmation? Yes, no, yes, no. Is it in? Should I buy? What should I do? You get it, right? It's get the bottom and then get the confirmation that it's the bottom. Now, I went outside the box on this. I had a little help from literally the smartest person I know. He's secret. We'll call him Agent Zero. Agent Zero helped me out with this by pointing me towards the Ethereum Grayscale Trust. So not Ethereum, the Ethereum-based product that trades in the equity market. So it's a trust that holds ETH, all right? It moves around more or less with ETH, but it can be a little different. How different? As it turns out, very different. If you look at this chart, you're going to see blue lines. And those blue lines, very simply, are every 3 months. We start on the far left with March 2020, right? Right around spring. Then we go to summer in June 2020, fall, winter, and now recently, okay, we had a bottom in March, okay, and then we may have had another bottom in June. So what you're going to notice is, even though I just jumped around there a little bit, is that at each of these points, the market either makes a high or a low. So whatever the market does into the point, it does the opposite thereafter. So, obviously, into this recent summer solstice, which was yesterday, summer solstice is the longest day of the year in terms of how much sunlight there is. The market just went straight down and then turned around and went higher. And this is giving me more confidence that the bottom is in. Now, additional confirmation or additional inspiration that the market is in. So let's talk inspiration and then get to confirmation. Total crypto market cap, to me, looks to have made a correction, okay, of its big move since June of last year. So we had a bottom in total crypto market cap in June of last year, and I think we're going to have another one recently. It got to 62% retracement, okay, of the move from June last year to May of this year. Total crypto market cap bottomed all right around 1.2 trillion. I think total crypto market cap is about to make a journey between now and the start of October to 3 trillion. That target comes from Elliott wave analysis, which can be pie in the sky, but there is reason to believe that it can happen. We've been waiting for the DeFi summer. This decline was bigger than we expected. I know. But if the decline is bigger than we expect, the recovery can be bigger than we expect. Now, let's talk the nuts and bolts of the recovery. This is confirmation ping pong. Right now, Bitcoin has got to take out 36,200 to absolutely say in Elliott wave terms that the previous fourth wave has been taken out or the critical point has been taken out, and now the market can move higher. It doesn't have to close above it. It just has to print, one tick higher than 36,200. And then the bear market's invalidated from there and the uptrend can start. But obviously, as of the recording of this report, there's some distance to go before you can get too excited. Okay, as with the Bitcoin chart, Ethereum has a similar look with a little bit of a bullish twist. Ethereum's got to get above 2280 to invalidate the downtrend. In Elliott terms, as we discussed, that's the top of the previous fourth wave. So we see a 2300 print in ETH. You have confirmation in technical terms that the downtrend is likely over. We also have a head and shoulders bottom on the 89-minute chart of Ethereum that targets 2,200. So we've got propellant for ETH to get there. ETH's got to get there, right? We've got to get this confirmation above 2,300 in ETH to say that this is over and to get a DeFi summer started. Now, risks to the view. So I said maybe the bottom's in. I said this is what has to happen for confirmation. This is the fear index in legacy. 1 minute, everybody was upset in legacy, and now that seems to have abated. I'm noticing a green candlestick, a reversal candlestick in VIX, the fear index in legacy. Crypto's future will involve having to survive a legacy bump. I don't know how big the bump in the road will be, but if there is a bump in the road in legacy, or if there is no bump in the road, crypto can survive, thrive, and take out these key levels. Fingers crossed. Stay strong. This is Bill Noble with Token Metrics TV. We'll see you next time.